Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 20 by 20 inch by 2 inch gallery wrap canvas. And I'm really glad I didn't have my glasses on when that bottle of white paint exploded, so I've got paint in my eyelashes. And I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning spatula. And I just did one of these, a dirty pour, on a canvas that I had pre-primed black, and now I want to try with the leftover paint to cover a primed wet canvas and see how that goes. And I expect, since I'm already painty from the last one and painty from that exploding bottle, all should be well when I take a shower later. I am going to just hope that I can hold on to this canvas, to tell you the truth, because they get pretty slippery when the sides are done, and I expect to make a mess. That's just the way it goes. I am using satin enamels. Actually, I'm using gloss enamels in the layered dirty pour cup, and I'm not changing the brand. I'm just using the Colouarte gloss enamel. Boy, I put plenty of white paint on there. And I'm going to have to find a way to get it to go over to this other side a little bit. And then knock it off. Wipe it off. And spread my black, which I can see there is something in. I guess I won't worry about that edge too much right now. She said, hoping she could stop herself, which I can't usually do very easily. I was going to add a lot more paint to my cup, but I'm really thinking that I might want to just have done with it the way it is. I'll add a little bit more. I could always add it to the canvas too, instead of worrying about it. I want my edges covered right now because I wasn't sure that the paint that I've got will go far enough. To fall down over the sides, and if I have some paint there already, then I'll be in good shape for that when that opportunity arises, or doesn't. So I'm pretty well covered, and I've got all my spatulas out of the bucket and cleaned up, so I've got a spare should I need one. And I'm going to use this paint wherever. However I want. So this is the paint that I have left, and I want some of this Modern Masters red in there, some more black gloss enamel, some of the year's Pantone color of the year, and what I like with that color blue is the color pink, and maybe some more white again. Nope. Okay, that's not coming out still. I'd really like that to come out now. Maybe I'll just dump some of that in there. Yeah, cool. So that seems like it should be enough paint. If I get kind of creative. With how I decide to pour. I want some more blue, and I want some more white, and I moved the white. There it is. I got it. What I really want is some more purple. And what I'm going to use instead is the magenta that was handy. I don't know if any of that's going to stay. I am going to use my small OXO omelet turning spatula and put any colors I can get out of that container right onto the painting. Because even though I lost a little bit of paint in the last painting, I didn't lose a whole lot. My workstation is not nearly as messy as I was expecting it might turn out to be, and I'm pretty happy about that. All that's going in the bucket. And I've got some black gloss enamel left over from earlier in the day that I'm just going to stick on here in a random spot. I'm going to move some of these colors out of the way. I never did use my red or my orange. There's not nearly enough of that blue. That blue seems to sink right away. My little enamel container will go into the bucket. I need an edge catcher again, and to get as much of my paint out of my way as possible. And I want to put some more blue in there because I can. That's the name of my book on the Amazon link. Underneath, show more. Alright, so last time's edge catchers will be fine. I'm going to juggle this puppy, and anything that comes off is what is supposed to come off. I really want to use an edge catcher and push stuff over to the edge and let it flow back, but with this size gallery wrap canvas, that's a tall order. So I'm just going to let it come down as far as I can let it go. Fall over a little bit. Like I said, I've got both the black and the white gloss enamel, and my enamels are from Colouartes. That red is pretty red. I'm not sure I love that red. I am definitely inclined to take a straw right now and mix it up a little. I'm going to let everything go where it wants to. Pretty much. If I need negative space back, I guess I'll be getting it later because I'm not getting it now. Let's see how we're covered. We're not covered too badly. I'm losing a fair amount of paint, but I'm also covering my edges pretty well. And I like my composition. Wow! I'm really pleased. I am getting dripped on. I gotta be careful not to track paint in the house tonight. I'm glad I started with that black because I think that black is gonna stay. Let's have a look and see if there's anything that I want to improve. I gotta turn the turntable a little bit so I can leave what I've got. And I like all that. Wow. No kidding. That's really neat. And I'm going to put a little more black paint down here where I see a little bit of canvas showing through. And here. And this other end is fine. can sort of blend in my edge. I don't mind the drips over. I'm going to see if I can get some of this paint off me for a second while that continues to morph ever so slightly. And then I'm going to torch, because I can. Everything is, oh, you know, before I torch, if I want to do anything, I better do what I'm going to do. And for me, that includes blowing into the paint. Which I'm not doing a whole lot of anything yet. This would be fun to balloon roll. Seriously. I've got some paint and I've got a place I need some paint, and I'm going to grab some paint with a shovel this time. Because it's cool paint. Let that go right down over the side. And use the rest of it right here. Nice agate-y looking thing. Grab some more of that paint on my skewer and just roll it right over. Let it camouflage and blend in with the rest. And I am almost done. So I want you to know I do sell my artwork, and I would love to sell some to you, because I love the idea of having one of my paintings in someone's home that will appreciate it. So I still want to, oh. I like that black spot, but I like it better with a little purple in it. Looks like a lot of the purple sunk, but I'm still pretty happy. With the whole thing. I say that, and I like that Modern Masters color red, but it's very blood red, and I'm glad I got rid of most of it. By burying it under some pink. I think I could play with a straw in this for quite a while. I'm super stoked. This is just a ball. And I want to thank Mina Vlogas for turning me onto it. I watch her videos fairly frequently to see what she's up to, and she inspired me recently. So watch Mina. She's inspirational. I love you guys. I will see you anon. Check the community board for tomorrow's video. I hope you guys come back again soon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Experimentation Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying thank you for joining me. I love you guys. Come again. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon. Excellent. Good afternoon. Cloud pours all around. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.